Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to World Geography with M.ADNAN. As you can see, our tutorial is related to how can we give the value from raster to vector on a point with the help of Qgis. Now I am adding some two types of data. One is raster and other is a point data, which is a vector. So we have a LST image of our area, and I am put it here in the raster one. Here is in a TIFF format degree of LST of our area. Now I put here. Okay, as you can see, it's showing here. So next we add here a vector data in it. We going to, yes, here I am already exported the data in a shapefile SHP format. We will select it, this one, okay, and simple open it, add and close. As you can see, the data lies on the our raster data. Now what we doing simple here to search a tool. The tool name has a sample raster value. A sample raster value, as you can see, I am already type sample. Now you get the list in it, and this one we will be select sample raster value. So it will be selected here automatically. Points come here because we call the point on the layout on the interface. So it's automatically come here. If you not add, so you will go to your function and you will select it from there one. Okay, and now we also select raster is already selected, and this one a degree. Okay, and it's the column prefix, you can change it from simple to like a LST value or etc, which one you want. Okay, or you can keep it that one as a sample. So now if you just need for a temporary, you just simple run it and you will get the answer, but I need it in a specific folder, so I give its path, and here you can change it into your desired format. I need in a shapefile, so I keep it in shapefile. So here I give its name. So by giving the name of it, I'm keep here too. Okay, save it and just simple run it. So when we run it, this bar will be completed and you will get your result easily. So this is an easy and fast method. Okay, it's well done. Now I just open it, this one, it's attribute table. Where is open attribute table, and we will get the values here, as you can see. So the values is what these values represent the temperature on the point basis, and we will further use in it to estimating other parameters like ITWO and cracking etc. So I hope this tutorial will help you and is easy to understand, so you will try it. If any confusion, so ask me in a comment section. Thanks for watching.